Well, first of all, in order to melt a guy's heart you need to be yourself. Yes, this tip can sound easy, but I know that we, girls, often tend to compare ourselves to others and sometimes, even, imitate other people, which is not the way to go. Today, let's talk about some easy tips on how to be more lovable, approachable and how to melt a guy's heart. 1. Minimal makeup. Guys tend to love natural makeup on girls and many surveys confirm this fact, therefore, avoid applying heavy makeup when you want to impress a guy. Instead, stick to natural-looking tones and try to enhance your God-given beauty. This way you will look cute and your man's heart will, definitely, be melted. 2. Avoid speaking with a loud voice. Loud voice can be really annoying and, even, disturbing, therefore, try to speak in a soft, low tone when talking to a guy you want to impress, but still, it should be your own voice, don't imitate others. 3. Smile a lot. A simple smile can break the ice of any difficult communication. A girl who smiles always tends to seem cuter, more approachable and warm. 4. Let guy lead a conversation. Make sure you take time to listen what a guy has to say, let him take a lead in the conversation and ask you questions. Avoid bombarding him with your queries, especially if you've just met recently and don't know each other very well. 5. Make him feel comfortable with you. Make your communication easy by being friendly, smiling and, most importantly, by being genuine. 6. How to dress up? Well, obviously, if you want to look cute and melt his heart, avoid wearing spikes, as well as sharp and dark clothes. Wear soft fabrics and light pastel shades instead. This type of attire can make you look softer and cuter. 7. Your hairstyle. A cute and delicate hairstyle can add up to your loveliness. Soft waves and braided hairstyles can make you look very cute and sweet. 8. Your perfume. Guys tend to be sensitive about girls' perfumes, therefore, avoid overloading your hair and clothes with rich and sensual scents. Instead, choose fragrances that are fruity, floral and sweet. Apply your perfume sparingly, if you want a guy to sit through a conversation with you. 9. Be gentle. If you want to look cute and melt his heart, make sure to avoid aggressive body language, hard gestures and exaggerated movements. Be gentle, ladylike and delicate. 10. Don't pretend. One of the most attractive and cute qualities is sincerity. Be genuine and authentic in your communication with that special guy, he will, definitely, feel it and will more likely respond by the same kind of attitude. 11. It's okay to be shy. It's totally okay to feel shy and, even, blush in front of a guy you like. Therefore, avoid pretending to be bold all the time and don't suppress your natural shyness. It's very attractive and cute. 12. Be kind. Kindness is something that you can cultivate and choose deliberately. It's easy to be kind to those who treat you kindly, but when you chose to be kind to all people. This quality is really exceptional. When a guy sees your good, respectful and kind attitude toward others, he will, surely, be impressed and his heart will, definitely, be melted. Thank you for watching, I hope to see you in the next video.